Hello everyone, my name is Cássio Lacerda and I'm Salesforce Certified Architect at Develos, and today we are going to talk about Ship from Store. Now let's see how our solution works and the required business manager configurations when applied to a demo store over the SFRA base. Remembering that this category is approved for versions 5 and 6 of Salesforce P2C SFRA. So this is our demo store, and I'm going to select a product here. This is our product details page, and as you can see, there is a link in order to check if the premium delivery is available. So when I hit this CTA, a modal will display from where I can fill out with my postal code. So the software based on radius distance configuration will check any available store that has this particular product in stock, and if so, then the premium deliver will be displayed. As you can see, I have added a zip code when calculate, return us back to the same page from where we can check the regular shipping method, but also the premium deliver. Now, if I add an invalid zip code, I will see a message saying that there is no delivery methods for this zip code. The same message will display if there is no store available. So now I have added a right zip code back, and it returns the shipping methods as expected. Well, let's check how it works behind the scenes in the Business Manager. The Business Manager is the configuration area where the merchants can configure the storefronts. So in the Business Manager, let's select Merchant Tools and Custom Preferences. Let's select Ship from Store Group. There are two mandatory fields. First, the Google Maps API key, and the radius distance that the system will check any available store in kilometers. That's the way we can define an area to look at. You may have not a Google API key, and there is a link below where you can get it. It's mandatory to have to convert the zip codes into coordinates for geolocation codes. Now, let's go back to the storefront page and add the product to the basket and proceed to the cart. In the cart, we can select the premium deliver that will increase the price, and this is associated to a regular shipping method in the platform, so the business team have total control over it to handle its discount, promotions, and so on. Let's emulate a checkout as a guest user. So here we have the first zip code I have entered on PDP, and I'm filling out the rest of it. When I change the zip code, the shipping methods will be reloaded in order to ensure they are still available for this new postal code. So let's make a change so we can see how it works. So now I'm changing it, and as you can see, I got only the default one. So every time a customer changes the postal code, the shipping methods are going to be reloaded. So now let me put the right one back, and we got the premium one back again. This is all what we have for the shipping step. Basically, the entire logic is concentrated on the zip code. When the customer changes his address, especially the zip code, the shipping methods are going to be reloaded. Let's move to the payment steps, as it remains pretty much the same as it was. So I will place an order. So here it goes. Now the order is placed, and it's a ship from store order. As you can see, if we're scrolling down a little bit, this is a premium deliver. So let's take a look how it looks like in the Business Manager. In in the Business Manager, let me select Merchant Tools, Orders, then find it. Now select the last one, is the most recently one. So here is how the order and shipment looks like. When you click Shipment, you see the attributes, the store ID, that is the order is pointing to. So it helps any integration and fulfillment process. This is also the pre-configured store in the BM that has the right coordinates and stock availability for this product. Now, let's check the store configs. Let me go to Stores. I will select the store 3. There you go. We can see that this store is associated to a specific store inventory. Now let's check the inventory. I'm now opening a store for inventory that was associated to our store 3 configured. Here in records, I will find the product that we use as an example. So let me take the right product ID. While I'm getting the product ID, it's important to mention that this inventory is not a storefront inventory. It's a particular inventory associated to a specific store. And find it, so we can see that it's allocated in this inventory. I will edit it, and we can see the stock level and availability. Probably at this point, we already have launched the multi-shipping version of this cartridge. So the first product could be a regular shipping method, while the second one could be a ship from store. To make it more clear, I'm going to share with you a map so we can visualize the customer location, the region's area, and the store location at the same place. To give you a big picture of that, in the map, the central point is the customer location, which is the zip code will be converted in coordinates on Google Maps, and based on the Business Manager configuration, there is one store which the coordinates were converted as well here, and we can check that in the same area we can see both. So the customer is the central point. We have the preference that determines the region area, and then we have the store location defined in a Business Manager preference in kilometers. All right, so that's the product we made, and we are proud to announce that it's present on the Salesforce App Exchange and also in our develops.com website. Come join us. We empower e-commerce. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more information, click in the links below.